In graffiti, nighttime is the right time, and the benefits of tagging on the street when nobody's outside and visibility is low don't need to be explained. I went on my first nighttime graffiti mission in the spring of 1997 with my best friend E, who was also my graffiti mentor. And after hitting up on the corner of 20th and Valencia, it really started to sink in for me and E especially that nobody was on the streets. Nobody saw what we were doing. Nobody even knew we were doing it, and we could do whatever we wanted. And prior to this moment, I had never felt this sense of overwhelming freedom, this sense of I can do whatever the hell I want in whatever way I want ever in my life. And it's really hard to describe what you feel when you understand this is me being me, doing what I'm supposed to do, and nobody can stop it. And as soon as we fully internalized, nobody was gonna stop us, nobody was even out here to stop us, this mission turned into a free-for-all. And as we destroyed corner after corner, block after block, our confidence only grew.